YouTube, it's your boy Snow back with another video. Today we're doing another POV drive. It's currently 3 a.m. and as y'all can see, we got the Mopar. We got the 5.7 skitty scat pack out, fully tinted out. So let's get this POV job going, y'all. Let's go, let's get it. We got a green light, let's hope we make it. Alrighty, let's get going. Seatbelt, safety first, y'all. Now, if y'all don't know, this is, like I said, fully tinted out. Yeah, it's fully tinted out. Now, I want to make sure that y'all know that we will be posting each and every time I get in this car. I will be posting, I will be making a video. Now, I can't really see the front and whatnot, but once I get the lights installed and the ambient lighting installed, y'all gonna be able to see and all that good stuff. And, bro, yo, it looks so dark, literally. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. How y'all night going? As I say, y'all, it's like 3 a.m. I can't really see. Hold on. Like, can y'all see now? Yeah, it's currently 3 a.m., bro. It's 3 in the morning. I had just dropped my girl off. You know what I'm saying? And now I'm heading back to my crib to go lay in my bed because I don't got work till 12, so make sure I get a good little rest. Good night's rest. No cap, because I need it. I need it. Let me know what y'all want me to do to the whip too, man. Like, oh shit, my hair all tangled and shit. What do y'all want to see? What mods would y'all like me to put onto the 5.7? But y'all got put over like 2 times today, bro. I'm so disappointed. 2 times today, man. Shit is crazy. 2 effing times. 2 effing times, y'all. It is so hard to see sometimes in this joint. No cap. But I need a 360 camera. Like, no cap. crazy, y'all? I've literally always wanted to get my windshield tinted since I got my first Charger. Like, when I had the V6, I really wanted to get the windshield tinted, but I'm kind of glad I didn't, because that car was red, and that already like that's just a attention grabber. Like having red as your car, as a car color, is it's just an attention grabber, you know. And I'm just glad I didn't tint the windshield, man. No cap. No cutie, no cap. I keep switching arms between like holding the camera and whatnot. I'm gonna let y'all hear under this tunnel right quick. No cap. Because under the tunnel is so cool. Hopefully our day was good, man. I had a stressful day, y'all. Like, if I'm being so honest and real with y'all, I had a stressful day. Thankfully, you know what I'm saying, my girl, you know what I'm saying, yeah. But like, other than, but it was real deal, real stressful. Like, no bull crap. Real stressful, man. Like, I don't even know. Barely any other cars out on the road right now, no cap. Like, it's just, I think I'm the only muscle car on the highway right now, bro. No cap. because 12 do be out here. 12 do be hot. I do not got time for all that. This is definitely gonna be the end of the video because I'm getting close to, yeah. So I'm gonna get over on the next video, man. Hopefully y'all been liking these POVs. If y'all want me to do anything during the POVs, just let me know in the comments. If there's any way I can make it more interesting, please let me know in the comments. If you made it this far, I appreciate you so much. My main page is not, like my vlogging page, is not allowed to post anything right now because I got a strike. So I don't know when I'm gonna be back. Well, I know like in a couple of days, but I can't post right now on my main, so that's why I'm posting here. So make sure y'all show all the love that y'all can, and make sure you share the videos and the YouTube channel, all that. And then yeah, I'm gonna make a video again tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, but when I wake up. So just stay tuned for that, man. I'm gonna dropping back to back to back to back to back. You know what I'm saying? I know I have been BSing, but I'm back on my shit. Okay, I'm back on my shit. So y'all don't gotta worry about nothing, bro. Man, but yeah, though, y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I will indeed catch you on the next video. Sorry I sound tired. It's just I'm tired. It's 3 in the morning. It's probably 4 right now, but I don't know. But yeah, I will catch up with y'all next video. I love y'all. Keep God in y'all life. Take care of yourselves. And until the next video, I'm gone.
Yeah, I'm cousin of man.